I'm Peter, and I am the owner of a web design agency and advertising agency called SwiftPress Support. And I've been using Cloudways for a little bit over 2 years now, and I've had such an amazing experience, especially with their Safe Updates feature. And I never really thought about how much it saves me on so much time, because as a part of our model, we do charge our clients for support of their website on WordPress. And so one of the things that we've been able to automate using the Safe Updates feature from Cloudways is for the Safe Updates to go in there and to actually take a snapshot of the website right before the updates are automatically done with the plugins. And then after that, for Cloudways to automatically do the updates of the plugins, and then to take another snapshot of the website afterwards, and then to compare the before and after snapshots of the website. And that's super helpful, because then if there was a problem that caused for the website to be distorted and the snapshots when they compare each other don't look good, then Safe Updates will automatically roll back the website to its previous state and let you know. So this used to take hours of time when you have a lot of different clients, or even if you're have a few clients, it could save you hours per week. And that's definitely what's helped us to shave off hours a week of time with support, with updates, and it's brought a lot of stability to our clients' websites, and they couldn't be happier. So I can't praise enough this feature on Safe Updates. So I just wanted to make a video about how wonderful this feature is. So thank you, Cloudways team, for the wonderful developer updates that you create. They're always so welcome.